G'day guys, James from Landwatch. Today we're going to run through how to install your wireless link on your shed roof and show you all the components you're going to get in your postal kit and just run step by step on how to install it. So firstly, it's just a mock scenario here. So we're going to install this J-pole that you get here. We're going to run some cable, we're going to mount our wireless link, and we're going to tie it all up with our cable ties. So let's get stuck into it. First thing you're going to want to do is install your base to the roof or to the wall. So today we're going to use a couple of Phillips screws and just fasten this one down so that it's not going to go anywhere. Then what you want to do is build your J-pole. So there's two ways to do it. We like to put the short way in, and what that does is allow it to kind of stick up nice and flush parallel to the shed. If you want to get out a bit further, you can use the longer side, but generally speaking we will use the short side. So in your kit you will have 2 short bolts and 3 nuts and a long bolt. So firstly what you want to do is push this long bolt through. It can be tricky. And just finger tight the nut up. Then while it's up like this, you want to put the second bolt just slightly in, bring it around so it's hanging out, and then just put a bit of pressure on your pole so that it doesn't fall out, and then just finger tight. Same as the other side. I like to put this one on my thumb and then just push him straight up and poke him out there. And do these up. Once this is done up nice and tight, you do have a fair bit of play there to move it around to the desired location. For today, we're just going to pretend that that's nice and straight. And we'll use our 10mm socket and do it up. Don't over tighten it because you can snap these, but make sure it's nice and firm and it's not going anywhere. Then what we want to do is we want to mount our wireless link to this pole here. So it comes with a hose clamp. So we undo our hose clamp with our 5/16 bit. We thread this one through the back of the link like this. And then what we want to do is wrap that around the pole. We want to do up our hose clamp. Get it to the desired area on the pole that you would like, and make sure it's facing towards its mate so that you're going to get that perfect link speed. Then do up the hose clamp so it's nice and tight, not going anywhere. The next step is to plug in your patch lead. So we've got to take this front cover off here. So the simplest way to do this is to actually just put your fingers here and pull down, and that exposes the connection point. Then provided in your kit will be your cable. It might be a 10 meter or a 20 meter patch lead, but make sure that the patch lead will have on the end the black wrap, which will protect the cable from those pesky birds. Alright, so now we want to plug this one in. So we have a standard computer cable, as you all would probably recognize it as. Inside here we want to make sure it goes in, and you want to listen for the click. Then what we want to do is push this one back up. You need to make sure that the slides on either side are lined up, and then you want to listen for the click again. Now that that's installed, we want to make sure our cable is actually nice and secure here and not going to get in the way of anything and just flap around on the roof. So we use our cable ties. So you'll get 3 cable ties in your kit. You want to come around the first one like this and make sure that black wrap is up nice and tight there, and do your cable tie up, and then just follow it down the J-pole and then run your cable off to the desired location. That might be going through a deck tight on your roof, or it might just be going over the side of the iron and down the wall, depending on where your Landwatch box is mounted. This is what you want it to look like in the end. Make sure you trim off these cable ties because nobody likes to have long cable ties hanging around. And that's it. Now you're ready to go do the other end or install the house, and these wireless links will talk to each other and give you that full control of your system.